Hi loves, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to give my pixie cut a maintenance. As you know, I was growing my hair before I cut it and went into like short hairstyle where I've been styling it sometimes like a slick down. And so what I'm going to do is just cut some of the sides here because they are quite too long. I don't like them when they are like that and I slick it down. It doesn't look good at the back, so I'm going to cut those ones around. And the tools I'm going to use is my scissors, and I have my comb here, and I have here my cutter where I put like razor blade inside. It's a comb but with two razor blade inside. If you can see them, they are really sharp. It's just go straight away and start cutting, but I have to be very careful because I don't want it to be too short either. One good thing about this comb is you have the razor inside and it's protected, so you will not cut yourself. It will just be cutting the hair as low as you want.
I currently have a mirror with me which I'm using to cut the hair. It's like the one you open to both sides so you can be able to see the sides of your hair and kind of go into the back.
So this is just an easy quick trim I'm giving myself, mostly at the sides, the back of it. So now that's quite a lot of hair already in the comb. If you can see, it's really dark. I think it's looking good. It's now really gone. You can't really see it at all. And when I turn the side of my head, you see what I mean? My hair, the back of my head is looking like slanted. So this side there is lot of hair. This side to the top there is lot of hair, but then here it's very short. That's what I've just cut off now. So I'm going to continue and trim it a little bit more.
To start with this short pixie cut, I had a longer hair which I first cut in one of my previous videos. It was a bit shorter than this when I cut it first, and so this is just trimmings.
A few singles that are quite long in it, just cutting them off.
There were some hairs that were kind of taller, like, you know, standing up, and they made the whole hair look messy, not really straight or perfect, I would say. Anyway, so I cut them with the 6X. That's what I did.
Alright, I think that is it. I'm just going to go and wash it and then I'll start with my styling. Hair is now dry and I'm back. I'm just going to take the towel off quick and just go ahead with styling of this. First of all, I have my bigger comb looking here. I'm just going to use to comb the hair through.
Most part of the hair today is going to be combing and just manipulating around with the comb because it's going to be a slick down. The hair is going to be very flat, and so combing is quite important in this part.
The hair is done combing. I'm going to use my Lotta Body wrap hair mousse into the hair.
This Lotta Body has been really good. I've been using it for a while now. And then the olive oil wrap set mousse is also really good for my hair. Those are the few ones I've used so far. I've not used, there's another one that is quite expensive. I've not used that one yet anyway, but they say it's really good also for like when you relax a 4C type. And so just using this into my hair before I go in with other products.
I think that should be enough. I'm going to add a little bit of Lotta Body texturizing lotion. This is concentrated. This will add a bit of texture to the hair when it dries. And go in with a bigger comb again.
To comb the hair, first of all, I start with a comb that has a bigger teeth. If you see this one, it has quite a lot of space inside. If you go in directly with a very tiny one, sometimes it may end up pulling your hair or like maybe breaking if your hair is not that strong. So I prefer to use this one first to maybe, you know, detangle some of them. Even though it's short hair, it's still tangled inside because it's washed and moist. So using a bigger comb to untangle it before, it's really important. This way your hair will be like free to apply anything else into it.
Alright, all done. I'm going to use my smaller comb.
I bought this little comb on eBay about £1.90, so yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's been a while now. It's really good for this kind of slick hairs. If when I was holding it before, you saw that the end that is inside my hand is really tiny. I mean, it's really tiny, so you can use it to like just slick really nice styles. And if you're really a pro in hair kind of things, it will really do good job for you. I'm not a pro yet. I'm still always just trying and finding ways to like properly style my hair and all that. I just always make sure I just maintain my hair to just look cute and not go and spend any money and all that. Since I've been in the UK, I've never really gone to the salon to do my hair ever before. The only one time I've been to the salon was when I had a very long relaxed hair. When I first came within, I think the first year, I had a really long relaxed hair. I went into a salon to just get my hair cut as a pixie. I think that was the first pixie cut I tried, and the woman messed up my hair. I mean, if they say messed up my hair, I mean really bad. I did not like the hair she cut for me, and like I really hated going to the salon. From that day, I have never ever visited any salon ever again. Even sometimes doing some braids before, I used to go to some of my friends to do it for me and all that. And so I don't know, I've just not trusted any hairdresser to do my hair for me since I've been here. I do all my hairs myself. If you see my videos, I used to have long hair, short hair, relaxed hair and natural hair. I've done so many different kind of things. I've tried a lot of things all by myself to see which one works for me. Natural hair, I don't know if it is really mine yet. I don't know if I'll grow natural hair yet again. I don't know, maybe I may think about it. But then that one hasn't been really good for me because it's really painful anytime I comb it. It gives me so much headache and all that. Anyway, so this is me finished like slicking down the hair and just wrapping it into my wrapper. I bought this also off one of the sites. It's really cheap. They normally use it to wrap slick downs. I think it makes it dry quick and also hold the hair down well. So after wrapping with that, I'm using my scarf now to hold it down. This scarf is kind of silk, so it's quite really good. You can also sleep in it, but the mistake it sometimes wake me up with is that I will wake up and then the scarf is gone because it's really smooth. I mean, it's really smooth, so it can just roll off your head. But you know, sometimes when I go to sleep and I wrap my hair like this, I can't really sleep properly because I don't know, the edges of my head is like aching. I don't know, my head has this weird thing that any little pressure I start feeling like headache, or I feel the pressure. So sometimes I just really don't bother. Anyway, so just wrapping this and let it dry off. I'm going to use my hair dryer to dry this off, which is in the next part. I'm going to use my hair dryer to just dry the hair through. Hopefully it dries quick. I've had this hair dryer about 2 years now. What I put onto my head is one of this kind of drying kind of attachment where you put on your head for it to dry off like really quick. Make it look like a big hair dryer. Anyway, I'm just enjoying my hair dryer. I'm going to take the scarf off and see if the hair is dry or not. I wanted to complete the whole process of the hair tonight before tomorrow morning because I'll be going to work and it will be a very busy week for me. So let's see how it gets. It looks as if it's dry from some parts, but not the whole of the head is dry. So I have to use my hand like dryer to do this part. To make this video simple and not too long, I'm going to cut off the drying process because it took me a longer time to dry it off. My hair has fully dried now and I've prepared myself, and I'm going to take the last of the wrapper off. And this is how my cute little slicked down pixie cut is looking. I was thinking to use my hair straightener or little curler to just curl it around, but I think the way it looks now is okay. I don't have to curl it or do anything to it. It looks really good, so I think I'll leave it like this and just rock it for a while. To complete the whole look as a salon maid, I sprayed in my olive oil hair sheen into the hair. I also have here another olive oil hair sheen. I mean, it makes the hair really shine and looks really cute and keeps it longer. It smells really nice too. I think the oils I've sprayed into the hair has helped it in shining, and I like the way this hair came out. It just looks so cute. This is my first hairstyle in the new year, and I think I'm just loving the way it looks, just so cool. And then the makeup is also just so warm and cool. Everything is just like on point, and I'm in love with this look. Just simple, nothing so much, and all looking glammed up. So what do you think about my pixie cut maintenance that I did myself? I did not pay anything for it, and I think it looks cute and I like the way it came out. Thank you for watching today's video, and I hope you have enjoyed watching. Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!